Within this demo, we're going to walk through the ESM template to bring you up to speed with how to use this template to jumpstart any service teams within your organization. We'll discuss some of the overall components of this template, which include how to track knowledge items, requests, incidents, and other ticket types within your organization. We'll show some tool examples, including reports and dashboards. We'll give an overview of managing work using Wrike's custom item types. We'll show how to take these custom item types and combine them with filtered views to simplify your folder structure. We'll show how request forms can be used for the intake of work, and we'll show how automation can now be used for any item in the space level. There are 5 primary elements that make up the structure of this template. First, we have a how-to guide, which can be used in conjunction with this demo to accelerate your ability to use the template. We have a service design subsection, which provides a high-level, repeatable approach that teams can follow to stand up service teams within their organization. We have a knowledge base management subsection that can be used for categorizing all knowledge articles across various departments within your organization. We have a service desk subsection to provide structure for your service desk teams to actively support requests from customers. Finally, we have tools, which includes reports and dashboards that can be used to manage any item within the space. We'll dive into knowledge items first. The knowledge base is a place to share information across your entire organization. It benefits your teams by allowing customers to proactively find their own solutions through self-service. A great knowledge base has some important characteristics. It could include relevant and up-to-date information, structure to make finding information easy, and an approval process to ensure articles are reviewed for accuracy. Teams can create their own items directly in the folders. For example, human resources could create a knowledge article with information to assist employees about a benefits package. Facilities could create a knowledge item to assist with the ergonomic review process. Once an article is created, the knowledge base admin would use the Managing Knowledge Base Articles dashboard to review and approve these articles. This ensures that the articles can be reviewed for accuracy, that they align to standards, and ultimately ensures that the articles are ready to be published. Once the status of an article is marked published, it then becomes ready within the Published Knowledge Base Articles dashboard. This dashboard would be available for anyone in the company. It provides an interface that segments articles across departments like human resources, accounting, or facilities. This makes finding information quick and easy. Within this template, we also have service desks. This allows service teams to support the need for both internal and external customer assistance. The types of requests that come here could include the need for branding information from marketing, or access to a tool owned by human resources, or even logging a problem with facilities about a remote office location. There are 2 ways to create requests and incidents. The first way is to right-click on the folder, click Add Item, and you could recreate an incident or a service request. The second way is through a request form. Here we have a request form that can be used by internal or external users to contact the facilities department. The great thing about this template is we're now using custom item types. This allows us to put multiple different types of items in a single location and use filters to help segment these items in a way that makes sense for our business. In this example, we have service requests and incidents in a single table view. We have then gone and created a custom view called service requests that is filtered against the service request custom item type. The same has been done with incidents. This allows us to have a single folder structure and add views that handle different custom item types as our team or company grows. A more advanced structure is with the IT team. Here we have service requests, incidents, problems, and changes. We've also created corresponding custom views that filters against each of these custom item types. But what are custom item types? Here in the custom item type library, you have the ability to create a custom item type, which is essentially any item you want it to be. Here are some examples. We've created a change request. We've created a survey. We've created an incident. We've created a knowledge base article. All of these custom item types are used as the framework to build different types of items that link back to these custom item types in your space. Let's take a look at the service request. Within the service request custom item type, we have the ability to adjust structure so that all items you created from this framework are consistent within your environment. For example, we have the ability to turn on or off quick access. We can assign a default workflow for any item that uses this custom item type. We have the ability to assign hierarchy, which allows us to allow or disallow different type of sub-items to be built within this service request item type. We also have the ability to hide or show fields. For example, we can hide the approvals field, or if we need the approvals field, we can add it back. We also have the ability to add standard custom fields to every custom item type. We can also hide these fields, or if we want to adjust the order, we can drag and drop. Custom item types also introduce space level automation rules that can be used by any employee within your Wrike platform, including non-admins. These automation rules are tied directly to a custom item type and will trigger on any item that is built based upon the framework of this custom item type. For example, we have the ability to send a survey when any service request built from this custom item type is marked closed or canceled. We also have the ability to notify the service desk team if any service requests built from this custom item type have not been updated within 5 calendar days. Finally, within this template, we have request forms. Request forms allow your teams to build whatever type of request they need with any requirements they need to contact your team for service requests. For example, we have a request form for accounting, facilities, HR, IT, and marketing. These request forms can be used to submit information directly to a team. It could also be tied into a custom item type. This concludes the demo of the ESM template. Now you have an idea of how to manage knowledge articles within your organization. You understand how to enable service management and support requests for any department. You know how to utilize tools such as reports and dashboards to maintain any items within this space. And finally, you have an idea of how to use custom item types combined with request forms and space level automation to offer your teams even more power within Wrike.